Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I'm standing in front of one hot Factory 5 Cobra. This baby's got a MRE racing engine in it with a Paxton Supercharger. It is all polished up under the hood. It's got a beautiful paint job, gorgeous interior. You're gonna love checking it out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it up on the lift so you can see how nice the bottom side is. We're gonna pop the hood and we're gonna show you how shiny the motor is. We're gonna take a look at the interior. We'll look inside the trunk. We'll show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Factory 5 investment. So come on up and we'll fire this baby up now. So check this beauty out, man. Wimbledon white stripes, and that blue is amazing, and the body work is phenomenal. That blue looks like you could stick your hand down in it. Look, you can see the reflection in it. Heck, it looks like I may need a haircut soon. Great looking wheels on the car, great looking brakes. You can see drilled and slotted rotors there. And look at those pipes. I tell you, that's got to be the best set of side pipes I ever saw in a Cobra. They look like they got mirrors laid on them. That paint is slick as can be. Now we've got some of that clear bra on here so that protects the rock chips from the front tire. You see how nice and easy that opened up? Smooth as can be. Carpeting looks great. We've got the wood steering wheel, all the gauge clusters in beautiful shape there. We've got that 5-speed shifter in there. They've got a fire extinguisher mounted there. 4-point harness, so you've got your shoulder harnesses here. The roll bar's all chromed up and looks good. That paint is just about as smooth as it can be. I mean, look at all the curves. Look at all the reflections. It's amazing how nice the bodywork is on this car. Look inside there. Batteries mounted right there, easy to get at. All the carpeting and the finish in there looks good. Yes, there is room for a small set of golf clubs in there, guys. I tell you what, every time I go to a car show, I hop in a Cobra. These are some of the funnest cars to drive around. Take a look at the shine on those pipes. I can't point that out enough. I mean, it's amazing. And there's about that much rubber on the ground back there, man. It is slick as can be. Look at those reflections. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this Factory 5. We own all of our inventory here. We've got like 240 cars in stock right now, and we own each and every one of them. Now, I personally pick out every car that we buy here at Vanguard. So what that means to you is you're getting my 35 years of experience with muscle cars and street rods, parking your dream in your drive. Let's take this Factory 5 Supercharged for a ride. I tell you what, if you want to get this in a competition for the best Factory 5 on the planet, this just might be it right here, guys. This dude is making a bunch of horsepower, and she is beautiful. Top, bottom, under the hood, everything about this car is amazing, guys. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this Cobra anywhere in the world. You just call Tom at 248-974-9513. He will tell you how easy it is to ship this Cobra wherever you live. And if you need a little help with financing, we got you covered there too. We got 2 banks we work with, 15-minute phone call with the banker. This dream's in your drive, and you're having the fun I'm having right now. It is just an amazing car. The trans feels good. The exhaust sounds amazing. The throttle response is unbelievable. This baby's got all kind of power. Now look down here on the dash. I've got my speedo here, my tack, all my gauges. We'll have all the buttons labeled for you so you know what they're doing. The car is just phenomenal, guys. And if you'd like to come check it out, we'd love to have you. And if you need to hop an airplane, we're only 20 minutes from the airport. We'll actually come down to the airport and pick you up. And we're here on Saturdays. If you want to do a road trip in and see us, just call us, let us know you're coming. We love to have visitors. We don't get a lot of visitors at Vanguard because we sell about 95% of our cars sight unseen. So we love to have visitors. Come on out, check them out. We've got quite a few Cobras right now in stock. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com and check them out. That was a quarter throttle, guys. This car is amazing. Now stick with us because we're gonna put it up on the lift so you can check out the bottom side, and then we'll pop the hood and take a look at that supercharged power. All right, we're underneath this Factory 5, and she looks brand new under here too. We got the cover on the gas tank here. Everything back here looks nice and tight. We got the 8.8 Ford rear end in here, right around the 323 gear in there. Of course, it is Posi. All the traction bars, everything looks good. Coil-over shocks, frame's nice. We got disc brakes out back here. All the cross members look good, and look at those shiny pipes. I tell you what, those things are beautiful. We got a T5 trans here. It looks like it's been powder coated too. Bell housing has also been powder coated. All the tin work here has been put together with glue and rivets. Beautiful job under here, guys. Everything's super clean under here. Just an amazing job on the build. You can see all the parts up here. The brakes have all been painted and or powder coated, drilled and slotted rotors, tubular lower control arms, rack and pinion steering, fully adjustable upper control arms, aluminum radiator with electric fans. Just a beautiful job on this car. I mean, it is amazing. They even got some little driving lights here. Isn't that cool? Hey, let's look at wheels and tires. All right, up front here, we got some great looking wheels. We got a Cobra there in the center. You can see those disc brakes. Let's see if I can find the size. Looks like 45s, there it is. 245, 45, 17s up front. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here, we got some more rubber. We got 315, 35, 17s. Again, great looking rims. Disc brakes, and they are drilled and slotted. And look at them pipes. That's where the music comes out right there, guys. And look at the shine on them babies. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got a 302. It's got GT40 heads on it. Of course, you see the Paxton Supercharger. This would have been a similar setup that Carroll Shelby would have ran back in the day. Engine professionally built. It's got a 6AL spark box there, powering up the MSD distributor. Everything up here looks sweet, man. It is nicely polished, nicely shined. All the wiring looks good. All the hoses look good. Just a real professional job putting this car together. And it is fast, guys. You saw us out there driving it. We had a blast. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.